New Voldemort malware infects your machine by hiding itself as a fake PDF file. Here's how it works. A new malware campaign is wreaking havoc on thousands of Windows systems worldwide. The malware, named Voldemort, is an undocumented backdoor that primarily targets organizations by impersonating tax agencies from North America, Europe, and Asia. According to a recent Proofpoint report, the campaign began last month and has already sent over 20,000 phishing emails to more than 70 organizations, with half of these targeting sectors such as aerospace, insurance, education, and transportation. At its peak, the campaign sent over 6,000 emails in a single day. The primary objective of the attackers appears to be cyber espionage, though the identity of the group remains unknown. How does Voldemort work? The attackers begin by sending phishing emails to organizations, using publicly available information to craft convincing messages. Depending on the recipient's location, the email impersonates local tax authorities and contains links that supposedly lead to updated tax documents. When the link is clicked, victims are redirected through a Google AMP cache URL to a landing page hosted on Infinity Free. This page prompts users to click a button labeled Click to View Document, which, if clicked on a Windows machine, initiates the download of a hidden LNK file disguised as a fake PDF. LNK files are shortcuts used to access files, folders, and websites. In this case, the fake PDF file contains a shortcut arrow at the bottom left corner, which, when opened, executes a Python script that covertly displays a legitimate PDF while downloading a malicious DLL in the background. This DLL then loads the Voldemort malware into the system's memory. Once installed, Voldemort uses Google Sheets as a command and control C2 server, both to receive new commands and store stolen data. It leverages Google's API to communicate with the sheets through an encrypted channel, making it difficult to detect or flag by traditional security tools. How to protect against Voldemort? Because Voldemort is a fileless malware, antivirus programs may not effectively detect it. If you accidentally open the infected file, Proofpoint suggests performing a clean Windows installation to remove the threat. Additional precautions include limiting access to external file-sharing services, blocking connections to Cloudflare if not needed, and monitoring PowerShell for suspicious activities. While the campaign currently targets organizations, individuals with workplace email accounts should remain cautious. Avoid downloading files or documents from unknown or untrusted sources, especially those outside your organization.